Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our panel discuss on global warming, its cause and its effect on the science and frequency of natural disaster. Global warming has become one of the most urgent issues in the world today. Let's begin by understanding what is really is. Huang, can you start?
Sure, but global warming is due to the long-term increase in the Earth's average temperature, mainly caused by rising level of greenhouse gases. These gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat in the atmosphere. Human activity such as burning fossil fuels,
Mày nhớ ra
deforestation,
tao
and
nhé.
industrial process release enormous amount of this gas, making the planet warmer than even before.
Thank you, Huang. Trâm, as an environment researcher, what would you say are the major human cause behind global warming?
The biggest cause is burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transportation, and manufacturing. This release large amount of carbon dioxide. Deforestation is another major factor. Trees absorb CO2, so when forests are cut down for farming or construction, more CO2 stays in the atmosphere. Agriculture also play a role because livestock like cows produce methane, a very powerful greenhouse gas.
Đây đâu Hoàng?
All these activities increase the amount of heat trapped on Earth.
Great explanation. Now let's move to the second part. How global warming affects natural disaster. Denies you study disaster management. What change are we seeing?
Global warming has a huge impact on natural disaster. Warmer temperatures make ocean hotter, which fuels stronger cyclones and hurricanes. As sea level rise, coastal flooding become more severe. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. We are also seeing changes in rainfall patterns. Some regions and heavier rainfall leading to floods, while other face prolonged droughts. Wildfires are also increasing because dry conditions make the forest more flammable.
Thank you, Dương. Can you give more data on how global warming is created, the size and frequency of the disaster?
Of course, when the atmosphere gets warmer, it holds more moisture, this leads to heavier and more instant storms, meaning cyclones can blow larger and stronger. Rising sea surface temperatures provide more energy to storms, increasing their power. Heat waves occur more often because higher global temperature makes extreme heat days more common. Floods become more frequent because melting glaciers and increased rainfall rates, sea level and river level. In short, global warming acts like fog multiple. It makes natural disaster both bigger and more common.
Trâm, what about those and Wi-Fi?
Global warming dries out soils and vegetation in many parts of the world. This leads to longer and more severe droughts, especially in areas that are already dry. Droughts create perfect conditions for wildfires, which are now happening in places that never experienced them before. One fire stop, higher temperatures and stronger winds help them spread faster and wider. So again, climate change increases both the frequency and the scope of the event.
Dương, from a disaster manage perspective, how are communities being affected?
Communities are facing more losses than ever. Homes destroyed by storms, crops lost to droughts, and cities flooded. The economic cost is rising each year. People in low-lying coastal areas are particularly vulnerable because rising sea levels make even normal storm dangerous. Also, frequent disasters stretch emergency services, making it harder to respond effectively if global warming continues. We will see more displacement, more health problems, and more pressure on governments.
Thank you. Now let's discuss how we can reduce the impact of global warming and relate disaster. Huang, could you begin?
To slow global warming, we need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. That means switching from fossil fuel to renewable energy like solar, wind, and heating. We should also promote energy efficient buildings, electric vehicles, and low carbon technology. Reforestation is important too. Planting trees help absorb CO2.
Chum, what role can individual play?
There's a lot individuals can do. Use public transport or carpool to reduce emissions. Reduce misconsumption, especially PIF. Save electricity and water. Avoid waste by recycling and choosing sustainable products. Support environmental police and organizations. Small actions add up when millions of people make them.
Then how can we minimize the impact of the disasters that are already happening?
We need strong disaster preparedness that includes early warning system, better evacuation plans, strong building codes, and climate change and climate resilient infrastructure like food barrier. Communities should be trained in emergency response, and governments should invest in research and climate adaptation strategies. We can't stop all disaster, but we can reduce the damage.
Thank you. Thank you for listening.